We don't see you enough anyway. Shaggy, all that crew back there. Yeah! What a damn thing. What's up, Bang? My man Slim, lick bass. Is that me, Goop? Say what? Is that me? And my man Donnell got everything you need. Hello, Nicky. Hello, baby. Yeah! What a damn thing. Come on. Say what? Also, ladies, we got my man Dave for the Northeast Groovers over here. My man Dave for the NEG family. What's up, Coochie? Glad to see you tonight. What a damn big. Come on. Come on. Come on. Also, run out to all the Civil City hunters we got over here, baby. Rock on all day long about that Eastgate. Come on. And we want to thank Sweet Jocelyn and Sweet Jazzy for stopping through. Party with the crew. Hello, Tangy. Yeah. And all that 43rd crew over here, ladies. Yes, indeed. one more, honey. Come on, come on. Yeah. Come on, brothers. Yeah. Hey, Bojack, hit it.
Feel the thrill like a find us a place to stay. We go all the way. If you feel the thrill like a find us a place to lay.
What's up, little Petty? Say what?
Feel the thrill like a find us a place to stay. We go all the way. If you feel the thrill like a find us a place to lay.
Say what?
If you feel the thrill like a find us a place to stay.
Yeah.
We go all the way. If you feel the thrill like a find us a place to lay. If you feel the thrill like a find us a place to stay. We go all the way. If you feel the thrill like a find us a place to lay.
Oh, let's do that one more time. Bojack, hit it.
Feel the thrill like a find us a place to stay.
Yeah.
We go all the way. If you feel the thrill like a find us a place to lay.
Let's be cool tonight, baby.
If you feel the thrill like a find us a place to stay. We go all the way. If you feel the thrill like a find us a place to
Go wait till
lay.
all the honey get it. Bojack, hit it.
Down, down, let's go down.
Take it down. Say what?
Down, down, let's go down.
Take it down.
Down, down, let's go down.
What? Say what?
Down, down, let's go down.
Take it down. Bojack, hit it.
Down, down, let's go down.
Yeah. All right.
Down, down, let's go down.
Say what?
Down, down, let's go down.
Say what?
Down, down, let's go down.
Bojack, hit it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Come on, come on.
I got that Brian Village thing what's up to here tonight. Also, we got the 31 crew over here. 13th Street. Yeah! Go ahead, it's your freak on Rashida. Go ahead, girl. Thank you for stopping through. Also, we want to thank my main man, Kevin, for stopping through tonight, ladies. Good to see you, man. Yes, it is. Ah. Say what? And we got that. We got all that Southwest crew back there. Bojack, hit it. My man Joaquin and Dallas. Where Whitey and Reds and the rest of them niggas at? Yes, indeed. All that Southwest crew up in here, y'all. And all of Bell Haven crew, too. Hanging at Keisha. Going up to all the Willow Road honeys. Bojack, hit it.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah.
Say what?
Send to the crew, yeah.
Yeah, they right here somewhere. Yeah, them Silver City honeys is up in here. Ah, yo, what them down big. Woo! Happy birthday, Hope. What a down big. I just like to be prepared, you know what I'm saying? No, you don't know. Oh, Jack, hit it!
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that was my fault, man. That was my fault.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Say what?
Yeah.
What's up, Flo? What a damn thing.
Feel the feel like a find us a place to stay.
Yeah.
We go all the way. If you feel the thrill like a find us a place to lay.
Say what?
If you feel the thrill like a find us a place to stay. We go all you gonna do? One. Hey, yeah, my man Dave, give me love, what you gonna do?
You said your own shit and that's it.
Yeah,
What?
Big Yo, give me love, what you gonna do? One. Hey, 503, give me love, what you gonna do? One. Hey, Mario, give me love, what you gonna do? One. Hey, and in a minute, give me love.
Wait a minute! Woo! Come on!
I should have done. We give me love, what you gonna
Say
do?
what?
Yeah. Yeah, and sweet Keisha, we give me love, what you gonna do?
Hanging at Cavaloo. Going out to the First Street crew over here, baby. And Sweet Latanya. And Miss Rhonda, special request, y'all.
Yo, we give me love, what you gonna do?
Uh-oh.
And sweet Tia, we give me love, what
Oh,
you
hanging
gonna
at
do?
Vaughn. We even got about you, girl. Sweet Rhonda, Miss Kizzy. And where's Sweet Larnice at? Where you at, baby?
We give me love, what
Hanging
you
at
gonna
Surf.
do?
All the Minnesota Avenue crew. And my baby Melvin back there, ladies. Good to see you, Melvin. Yes, indeed. Thank you for coming through. Let's do that top. One more time. Come on. One. Yeah.
I see Ash, give me love, what you gonna do? One. Hey. And Sugar Hill, give me love, what you gonna do? One. Hey. And Sweet Nina, give me love, what you gonna do? One. Hey. And give me life, give me love, what you gonna do? East Gate Black, give me love, what you gonna do? One. Hey. And Big Joe, give me love, what you gonna do? One. Hey.
Thunder Woods.
Hey, Greg, give me love, what you gonna do?
Yeah.
One. Hey. And Gary, look, I got a kaleidoscope, but a bitch's ass open. Bitch's ass dope, gum stats glow. The deep boys are straight, but I hate with me. Flipping them all the way God made them. I like stuff, double the bars up, double the dimes up. Look at me, Carlo say, shit is so ridiculous. I got stuff, broke bitches now diction. I never speak too clear, cause when you hear me, God bitchin' now. Ooh, yeah, 1, 2, 3. How you like me? I'm representing over me. And I guess my job well, hell out. D-O-double-N-E double L, Darnell. And now he's the band burner. More women than I ain't done, some of the bands in the love. If you feel it, step up, but I doubt you. Give me an ass credit to the boost and bounce.
Come on. One.
Hey. Hey, boys, ice, give me love, what you gonna do?
One. Hello,
Hey,
Christy.
sweet Nicky, give me love, what you gonna do?
One.
Hey, Miss Kim, give me love, what you gonna do? One. Big 3-0, give me love, what you gonna do? How you give me love, what you gonna do? One. Hey. Hey, Cavaloo, give me love, what you gonna do? One. Hey. Hey, Sweet Pam, give me love, what you gonna do? One. Hey. Hey, Sweet Candy, give me love.
You gotta believe something.
Yeah.
Be hard as a rock, but they crumble.
Yeah.
Take this time after time after time. Take this time after time after time. All I told you never question the soldier. Hey, knock it down like champagne. You wanna say, Anna? I got love for one thin with a fat one, white with a black
Yeah.
one, this with a that
Yeah.
one. Different brothers like burgers.
Yeah.
You never heard enough of brothers nice like me. The D-E-R-E-K. Hey, I'm rolling with the #1 crew, the R.D. Don't you dare even stop and stare. Don't you wanna wear a honey full of hair? They got the feeling for the flavor of the bringer. Hot man dinger, make your body shake.
Come on.
Yeah. I should have done. Give me love, what you gonna do?
Yeah, this is one of the songs that's gonna be in the movie, baby. Uh-oh. Back in the day. Shout out to the group on the place.
We give me love, what you gonna do?
My man, Big Jeff back there. Big Chucky. Uh-oh. What's up, Six?
I should have
you? Who's your crew? Say what now? Say what y'all? Who are you? Who's your crew? Say what y'all? Say what now? Give me the top. One more time. Come on. 1.
Hey, 1, 2.
Yeah.
My man Mike, give me love, what you gonna do? 1. Hey. 58, give me love, what you gonna do? 1. Hey. My man Blue, give me love, what you gonna do? 1. Hey.
What's
And Big
up?
Chucky, give me love, what you gonna do? 1. Hey. Melvin Middleton, give me love, what you gonna do? 1. Hey. Yeah,
got X
and
out there,
First Street, give me love, what you gonna do? 1. Hey. My man Ed, give me love, what you gonna do? 1. Hey. My nigga Gabby, give me love. Yeah.
Never disrespect, have your love, so I keep on. Put up on my road to ride 100, get the freaks on. Hey, hey, got no time to play.
Yeah.
DC, side of on the radio, so I say,
Come on.
give me what you got, cause I don't stop. I'm representing go-go and not the hip-hop. I hit drops, ain't no faking, ain't no problem.
Yeah.
Bustin' elevation, so I can't be stopped.
Yeah.
Cause I got styles like a head turn, yo, check the flavor. You will be your escort and I will be your imitator. Cause there's no love for a nigga. Come behind my back. You know I'm not having that. Come on, bounce your head with this. I'm on a mission. Gonna say it twice.
Wait a minute.
Whoa. Yeah.
So for some of you older folks in here, I know some of y'all in here, like Sweet Candy
What do you do when your homeboy fucked
and
up?
Miss Pam and Miss Shaw back there. Say what? Get out there, baby.
What do you do?
Oh, and they singing too, fellas. Singing, ladies. Oh, I love that shit. I love that shit.
What do you do when your homeboy? Hey, guard.
Sing it one more time, ladies. Say what?
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, guard. Hey, guard. What do you do when your homeboy fucked up?
Oh, one more time. Say what? What?
She's not your girl, so you call her on the phone when your bitch is home alone.
Then we're talking about the tip. The top. The top. The top. Talking about the top. The top. The top. The top. And we're talking about the tip. The top. Say what? The top. The top. Behave yourself down there, Super Dave. Trinidad crew, talking about the tip. On the top. I say what? The top. The top. All right, Trinidad. All right, Trinidad. Do it. Yeah. Hanging it down there. Also, we want to thank Sweet Christy for coming through here. Hello, baby. Excellent. Come on. Yeah. What? So for you all hands up in here, say what? Huh? Hanging a slim. Right, slim and lick face. Bang, bang back there. Charlie, check it. You ain't got no job.
Ain't got no job.
You got to pay your bills. And now how you gonna do it with your backs up against the wall? Say what, Joe? Say what?
I ain't got no job.
Say what?
I got to pay the bill.
Pay the bill.
Now how you gonna do it with your backs up against the wall?
Say what?
I ain't got no job.
I ain't got no
I
job.
got to pay the bill.
Pay the bills.
Now how you gonna do it with your backs up against the wall?
Say what?
I ain't got no job.
I ain't got no job.
I got to pay the bill.
Pay the bill.
Now how you gonna do it with your backs up against the wall?
Wait a minute. Yeah, give me a little bit more with that guy. Oh, give me something out there, Googie, on the guitar. I like to hear that shit coming back. Yeah, hanging that treetop. My man Treetop and Coochie. Yes, indeed. Big Spider. Don't mess me up, man. Don't make me mess up. Action, come on. Good to see you tonight, Cross Street. This is who? Timbers who? Also, we got the 1-400s over here, baby. Yes, we do. Whoa. Big Joe. Southeast crew. All these lovely honeys over here. So what? Yeah. As a matter of fact, all this gonna be on CD next month, baby. Oh, you got to work that sucker to death.
Work that sucker to death.
Work that sucker to death.
Work that sucker
You got
to
to
death.
work that sucker to death.
Work that sucker to death.
Work that sucker to death.
You got to work that sucker to death.
Work that sucker
You got
to
to
death.
work that sucker to death.
Work that
So you want to
sucker
work that sucker to death.
Work that sucker
You want to work that sucker to death.
One more time, you got to work sucker to death.
That sucker to death.
Work that sucker to death.
Work that sucker
You
to
got to
death.
work that sucker to death.
Work that sucker to death.
Work that sucker to
Work
death.
that sucker to death. That sucker to death.
Work that sucker
You want to work that sucker to death. You want to work that sucker to death. You gotta work that sucker to death.
Hit it.
Go down, baby. Go down.
Whoa.